Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. If you are struggling to change the citation format in your research paper, for example, if you are preparing a thesis in research paper, so if you want to change the citation format, for example, say you have make it that format in APA, so if you want to convert into IEEE or MLA or Chicago format, any of the format you want according to the need of the journal or need of the target institution, so in order to do so, you will be probably having 75 to 100 references. I may not wrong that probably around 100 references you may have. So if you want to change the reference style, so again you have to check that paper and you have to change the style. So in order to do instantly, so you can use our AI template to do that. So you can change the reference format within seconds. So make use of this option to change your reference format in your citation tool. So that is reference citation format in your research paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that new template we have added in our AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop, comprehensive Matlab workshop on basics, from basics to advanced applications in Matlab. So this the main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you with the different syntax and basic things related with Matlab, and also we are going to explore different types of toolbox available in Matlab like neural network toolbox, fuzzy logic toolbox, sandfish toolbox, and we are going to make a live PID tuning controller for your applications to get desired output. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So this will be a better opportunity for you to learn more about Matlab basics. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video. So open LMS Solution Research Support website. So you can type in Google that LMS Research Support. This leads to the website here. So in this website you will be having different types of AI templates available. So here you can see summarizer, grammar corrector, paraphrasing, literature review, explain the table, generate Matlab code, chatbot, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF, reference to content, and then reference style converter. So this is the new template we have added today. So that is very important that in order to convert the reference format, so you can use this reference template. So as we have promised, we have uploaded a new template for this month, so you can go on and explore this reference style converter. So just click on the reference style converter. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So in this you can add 5 reference. So in order to make that, so I am going to make a list of 5 reference. So I am going to Google Scholar here. So thereby you can get a better idea. So type some papers. So for example, 3-phase inverter with grid connected inverter. So click enter. So these are some of the reference which is generated. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy the MLA format of the references. So here you can see, so this is the MLA format of the references. So in order to get even clear, so you can open a new Word file. So thereby you can get a better idea. So this is the first reference, and next go to the next paper and you can copy the same MLA format, the second reference. So after that, like that you can do for around 5 reference, as we have asked for 5 reference. So you can do that for 5 reference. So here after making a list of reference, you can copy the reference and you can go to the template reference style converter, paste here. So here we have taken all the reference in MLA format. So we can change that MLA format into Chicago or APA format, for example. So click here. So here this is the MLA format we have taken and made as a list. After that I want to change it as a APA format. So in that you can select the option called APA. Here you will be having different options available: APA, MLI, Chicago, IEEE, Harvard, Vancouver. So here I am going to use APA format. So click APA. So type APA and then click on convert. So here all the MLA format references will be converted into APA format. So here it will be listed. So here you can see that all the references are converted into APA format. So in APA format, after author you will be having year. So and then you will be having the title of the paper and the journal name of the paper and then page number. So as like here you will be getting a better idea if I show here. So this is the one we have obtained here. So the MLA format references will be converted into APA format as like we have done now. So you can convert all the formats into different types of formats very easily. So make use of this option to convert your that is your references style into different formats in a bulk quantity. So if you want to do it one by one, it will take more time. So you can copy and paste 5 references easily, and you can get that that is you can get whatever the format you need within seconds. So make use of this option to convert your references very easily. Hope this video will be very useful for you, especially for those who are applying in any of the journals. They will ask for different formatting type in references, and also those who are submitting your thesis. So it is very important, because I have told already in the start of the video that the thesis must comprises around 100 references. So in order to convert into a common format, you can use this reference style converter template in our AI tool. So hope this AI tool will be very helpful for you.